So this is my take on the Foxy Eyes trend, which is the current version of a cat eye. So let's try this on some hooded eyes. Does it work? For the shadow portion of this look, I'm going to use the Too Faced Semi-Sweet Chocolate Bar palette because it's got a bunch of cool tone and warm tone matte browns. So I'm just going to use the warm tones to blend out and add depth, and those cool tones to contour. For lashes, definitely pick one that's a bit longer on the outside than it is on the inside for that flared look. And that pretty much is the technique. What did you think? Thanks for watching. Bye!